A very good morning, student. Are you all welcome to the online class? And here today we are going to discuss about the circulatory system. I hope you all are active in this class. What we have seen the last class in that organ system in animals, we have seen the integumentary, skeletal, muscular, and nervous system, right? I hope you have to remember the topic also. So today this is a continuation for that organ system in animal, that is a circulatory system. A circulatory which means a circle. They are circle through entire body. Entire body circulate பண்றவங்கள they are called as a circulatory system. Okay, if you take for an example, if you taken a blood, blood circulate the entire parts in our body, right? So that here a circulatory system, they are contain some of the organs. The first organs of circulatory system is a major organ is heart. We have said a blood only circulate. Here they are given a heart, a major medium of circulation. Here heart only a dunning a pumping organ. Okay, my heart மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா பம்ப் பண்ணுது blood. இப்போ வாட்டர் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோ, ஒரு கிளாஸ் இருக்குது, போர் பண்ணி ஒரு கிளாஸில் வச்சுருந்தனா என்ன ஆகும்? ஜஸ்ட் தே ஆர் பிளேஸ் தேர் ஓன்லி. ஓகே, அதை எடுத்து நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், எங்கேனாக்கா ஊற்றுனா போர் பண்ணாதாக்கா என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? அது முடியும், கிளாஸில் தானே இருக்கும், போர் பண்ணுற முடியும். அப்போது பிளட்டும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? தே வாண்ட் டு சர்க்குலேட் த்ரூ தி நீட் ஒன் மீடியம். So heart is a major medium of circulation. So the first organs of circulatory system is heart, and second one is the blood. And a blood or a flow na அப்படியே body full overall ஓடுதா? இல்லை, just they are a blood or a flow through the blood vessels. So these are all the organs are involved in the circulatory system. And next one, they are having a functions of circulatory system. Functions of circulatory system. The first function of the circulatory system, we already say that, right? A transportation. They are only carrying, circulate. இப்போ circulationனால என்னது? They are travel. அப்போ travel பண்ணும்போது they are transported something. என்னென்னலாம் transport பண்ணும்? blood. Okay, first thing is a transportation. In the transportation, first they transport the respiratory gas. What is the first transportation? A respiratory, this I'll write it here, gases. What is a respiratory gases? Let me see that. Gases. Okay ma, here a gases nale first thing we are inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the CO2. Here in the transportation through the blood மூலமா தான் transport பண்ண முடியும். blood என்ன பண்ணும்? Just they are collecting the deoxygenated blood from the entire parts of our body. Entire parts ல deoxygenated blood இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is CO2 blood இருக்கு இல்லையா, just they are collected from the entire parts of our body and reaching the deoxygenated blood லாம் எங்க reach ஆகும்னா, just they are reaching the lungs, alveoli. Here this is the, just imagine this is the what? Alveoli. Here a lungs part. Just take it here. This is the what ma? This is the lungs. At the end of a lungs part, they are having a number of air sac. That is the what? Alveoli. Here this is the alveoli. Here alveoli are surrounded by the one blood cell. That is the capillary. And now RBC are collected the deoxygenated blood. Through the respiration, we are inhaling the oxygenated blood. They enter into the alveoli. So here they are having a oxygenated oxygen. They are just transfer the deoxygenated blood to the alveoli and absorb the oxygen alveoli இருந்து absorb பண்ணிப்பாங்க. And transmission of CO2. Now RBC are filled with the full of oxygenated blood. Again they are carry the oxygenated blood to entire parts of our body. So this is what? A transport the, and there is a transpiration of respiratory gases. And next, a transpiration of a nutritive substance. What is the next transpiration? nutritive substance. Here, what is a nutritive substance? Nutritive, if you have taken a small intestine, at the time of an digestion, here a small intestine are act on a absorption medium யார் இருப்பாங்கன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா small intestine தான் work ஆகாது. Here small intestine they are having a villi like structures. Just take it, this is the what? A villi. And inside of an villi they are having a number of capillaries, blood vessel capillaries இருக்கும். ஓகேமா, just they are absorbing the nutrition absorb பண்ணி capillaries தான் absorb பண்ணும் villi மூலயமா. Just they are transport to the entire parts of a body. Okay, so that is what? Nutritive substance. And absorb பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தனா they are also eliminate. Here CO2 is an excretion, right? So excretion purpose also done by the a circulatory system, that is the blood. Okay, so these are all the what? Functions of circulatory system. So that's it for the functions of circulatory system. Will be move on next one, respiratory system. What is the next one? We are having the respiratory system. Here a respiratory system, respiration, which means inhaling and exhaling of gases. Respiration where they are taken place, that lungs part. So what is an organs are involved here? A respiratory tract and lungs. So this is the lungs. These are all the organs. Respiratory tract na nose. Through the nose only we are inhaling the gases, and they enter into the pharynx, larynx, then reach the bronchi, trachea. Okay, next they enter into the bronchi, and finally they are enter into the alveoli. Here only our gases exchange is taken place. We have seen that already, right? So this is the what? Organs of respiratory system, and here they are having a major function to that respiration. That is a breathing. So that is a major functions of respiratory system. So that's it for a respiratory system. Let me move on. Next one we are having a digestive system. Let me see that digestive system. Here the next one we are having a digestive system, next organ system of animal. It is a digestive system. Digestive system, which mean a digestion of a food material with the help of some of the organs. So here organs is a first one is the digestive tract. It is a first one, a digestive tract, and next one is the digestive gland. So these are all the organs are involved in the digestive system. First thing, digestive tract. Digestive tract nale that is a way illingla. First thing, just imagine this is the mouth part. So next one, buccal cavity, and next one, pharynx and long food pipe, and they enter into the stomach, and they go for a small intestine. Just like this, they are having a small intestine, and finally they enter into the large intestine, and then last part they are having a rectum and anus. So these are all the what? A digestive tract. Mouth la irundhu, buccal cavity la irundhu, esophagus, stomach, okay ma, diaphragm, here a small intestine, a large intestine, rectum, anus. These are all the tract. Where food travel panni at the end finally they are ejected through the anus. So this is the what? Digestive tract. A number of organs are involved in the digestive system, and next one here their involvement of gland. The first one is the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, and here they are having HCl, and here a buccal cavity la they are having a that is a saliva. So these are all the gland. Digestive glands are involved in the digestive system. So this is what organs of digestive system. And next one they are having a functions of digestive system. First thing, what is the major functions of digestive system? First function digestion தான். ஃபுட்டை டைஜஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். தட் இஸ் அ மேஜர் ஃபங்க்ஷன். டைஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டா மட்டும் போதுமா? தே வாண்ட் டு அப்சார்ப். ஸோ அப்சார்ப்ஷன். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ejection. Absorb பண்ணியாச்சு, we get all the nutrition well versed. So a remaining unwanted things is also there, no, they want to ejected through that. So ejection. These are all the major functions of a digestive system. So that's it for a digestive system. When we move on next one, we are having a excretory system. Next one, excretory system. Excretory, which mean excretion. Excretion of what? Unwanted things. So here unwanted things excrete பண்றதுல their involvement of some organs. What are the organs are involved? Let me see that. First one is the kidney, and second organ is uterus, urinary bladder, and next one is the urethra. So these are all the what excretion purpose ku use agara organ. Okay ma? Here a kidney. A pair of kidney are present in the abdominal cavity, you know that. And next one, this is what? The kidney. And next one, ureters. This is what? Ureters. And next one, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. And next last part is urethra. So these are all the organs are involved in that excretion. இப்போ எப்படி excretion நடக்குதுன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? How they are taken place? Here they are having a nephrons. Each kidney they are having a millions of nephrons. They are helped to filter the nitrogenous waste in the blood. Bloodல இருக்க nitrogenous waste filter பண்றாங்க இங்க தான். Okay, here a nitrogenous waste blood are filtered here. Purified blood they go for an entire parts of a body. This is what? A nitrogenous waste. This is what ma? Nitrogenous waste are traveled through the, they get filtered in the kidney with the help of a neuron. And next one, sorry, nephron. And next one, their unwanted nitrogenous waste material enter into the travel through the urethra. Urethra வழியா travel பண்றச்ச water absorb பண்ணிடுவாங்க. Okay, and here they are temporarily stored in the urinary bladder. Urinary bladderல temporarily store ஆவாங்க, and they are ejected through the urethra. So this is the what? Organs of excretory system. And here we already say that what is a function? Elimination of nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste just they are ejected, eliminated. Okay, so that's it for an excretory system. Let me move on next one. And next we are having a reproductive system. The reproductive system, that is the next organ system in animal. Here a reproductive system, involvement of some organs. A first one is the testes. What is the first one? A testes is responsible for a male reproductive system. And next one is the ovary. Here is responsible for a female reproductive system. Reproductive அப்படினாலே to forming of an young one. Young one produce பண்றது தான் with the help of a gonads, a testes and ovary. Here a testes, that is a sperm. A testes is an organ to forming of a sperm. Sac like structure இருக்கும். சரியாப்பா? If you take a cross section for the testes, just like this. Here they are having a seminiferous tubule. Inside of a seminiferous tubule, if you take a cross section of this one, this is what? Seminiferous tubule. Inside la pathonaka sperms attach ஆயிட்டு just they are grown here. Okay, இங்கே தான் sperm form ஆகும். There is a testes, an ovary. There is a female reproductive tract. Here is the ovary, the forming of ovum. Okay, so here organs of reproductive system, and what is a major functions பார்த்தோம்னா we already say that testes a formation of sperm. So gametes formation and development of secondary sexual character. What is a secondary sexual character? What is a secondary sexual character? Secondary sexual character. First thing, when they attain a maturity at, for an example 16-17 age attain பண்ண உடனே என்ன ஆகும்? யூஸ்வலாக கேர்ள்ஸோடைய puberty ஏஜ் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா 11 to 13லே இருக்கும். ஓகே, அண்ட் இயர்லியர் தென் த பாய்ஸ். ஜென்ஸை விடவும் விமனுக்கு இயர்லியர் தென் த puberty stage. At that stage they are changes of a body structure. Okay, internal they are getting changes. If you take a male, they are increasing of a voice base increase ஆகும், and shoulder broad ஆகும். Okay, chest region broad ஆகும், and development of secondary hair, pubic region hair growth ஆகும். Okay, so these are all the what mushes beard வளரும். Okay, these are all the secondary sexual character of an human. Okay, and that's it for a reproductive system. We'll be more on next one, sensory system. What is the next topic we are having? A sensory system. Sensory, senses. அப்போ sense organsலாம் என்ன இருக்கு நம்மளுக்கு? Just have to list out that organs. What are the sense organs? The first one is the eyes, and next one is the nose, and next one is the ears, and next one is the tongue, and next one is the skin. So these are all the what? A sense organ, you know that very well, which help to detect something in the environment and what they happen. Okay, that is a sensory organs. Here eyes is helpful for the sense, is helpful for the hearing, and tongue is helpful for the tasting, and skin is helpful for the touching. Okay, so that is the functions of a sensory organ. So that's it for a sensory organ. And last part in that human, there is the animal organ system. We are having a endocrine system. What is the last one we are having here? Endocrine system. Endocrine system, endo which means inside, and crine which means secretion. Okay, so secretion of some hormones for the glands. So those are all the organs involved in the endocrine. First, pituitary, that is only a master gland, they say, control the entire organ. So I have to know that what is a gland, what is a function. Gland 9, they secrete hormone. எல்லாமே separate gland. They are secreting a separate hormone. Pituitary gland, they are helpful for their growth, and parathyroid, they are helpful for the maintenance of calcium level. Adrenal, emergency situation. When you hear something in an emergency situation, for an example, நீங்கள் ரோட்டில் வாக் பண்ணிட்டு போயிருக்கப்ப கார் சடனாக வந்தால் எப்படி இருக்கும்? சடன்லி தேர் இன்க்ரீஸிங் ஆகான ஹார்ட் பீட் ரேட். ஓகே, ஹார்ட் பீட் ரேட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும், ஸ்வெட்டிங் வரும், லைக் தட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் அன் அட்ரினல் கிளாண்ட். அண்ட் pancreas, they are secreted insulin and glucagon. Insulin, டயபெட்டிஸ் வருது இல்லையா? பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் இன்சுலின் லெவல் குறையினாலும் ஏறதுனாலும் தேர் ஹேவிங் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டயபெட்டிஸ். அண்ட் pineal gland, here they are active with the help of an pituitary gland. And next one, here a thymus. A thymus are represented in the chest region. Thymosin என்ற ஹார்மோன்ஸை செக்ரீட் பண்ணுவாங்க. இம்யூனைசேஷனுடைய ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி, நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி. ஓகே, reproductive, we already say the reproductive gland. So that's it for an endocrine gland. Here what is a major function பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா எல்லா கிளாண்டும் ப்ராப்பராக ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். to need to work in a coordinated manner. கோஆர்டினேட்டட் மேனரில் ஒர்க் பண்ணாதான் என்ன ஆகும்? ப்ராப்பர் க்ரோத் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, நார்மல் வெல்பீயிங்காக இருக்க முடியும். இன்கேஸ் பிட்யூட்டரி கிளாண்ட் ப்ராப்பராக ஒர்க் ஆனால் க்ரோத் இருக்காது. ஓகேவா, pancreas ஒர்க் ஆகலனா டயபெட்டிஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகே, தைமஸ் இல்லைனா நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி இருக்காது. ஓகே, ஸோ நீட் ப்ராப்பர் கோஆர்டினேஷன், தட் இஸ் அ ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆஃப் endocrine gland. So that's it for an organ system in animal. I hope you all understand to the topic. Just have to follow all the things in your observation note. I just show a video to you. It is easy to understand that organ system in animal. Just have to watch the video. So we are complete our today topic. Have to follow the homework in your observation note. Okay student, thank you. We'll see the remaining topic for our next class.